it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are doing some more at-home solutions for the summer, some DIYs, if you will. We're going to be doing some DIY body shimmer oil. Is that what it's called? What is it called? What is this? Glow oil? We're gonna be doing some DIY glow oil. Okay? So in April, for my April dupe series, I did a dupe on the glow oil from Sol de Janeiro. I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm so sorry. And then Soul Body from ColourPop. I did these as a dupe, right? Then I was perusing Facebook, probably because the internet was listening to me and was like, you like glow oil and makeup? Here's a bunch of sponsored posts about that. I saw a TikTok via Facebook and it showed somebody taking a big old thing of Johnson's baby oil, crushing up a highlighter and putting it in, or like a shimmery bronzer and putting it in here and making their own. And I was like, oh, I can do that. So I don't know the account, I'm so sorry. We're going to be testing out a couple different ways today, okay? So if you buy these in the store, I think this ColourPop one was $15 and this Sol de, I don't know how to pronounce it, one was like $35. Let me check. The Sol de Janeiro is $35. This Soul Body from ColourPop is $15. This big old thing of Johnson's baby oil was almost $6. It was like $5 something. It was like $5 something. If you had to buy a highlighter or a like shimmery bronzer, Wet n Wild has them for less than $5. So total for this would be $10. However, I know most of you have a highlighter in your bin that you're not using, that you can just crush up and add to some oil. So really, it's only gonna cost you the price of the oil, because I know y'all have highlighters out there. Like I said previously in this video, we're gonna try a couple different methods. I'm gonna mix some highlighter with some lotion, I'm gonna mix some highlighter with some coconut oil, and if any of you girls are having some issues, I know you got a tub of coconut oil at home, because coconut oil apparently solves all of our problems. So, we're gonna try it with some coconut oil, some baby oil, some lotion. We're gonna have a good old time with this. Good old messy time with it. So first, let's do the baby oil one. And to be honest, since I already have these two things of glow oil, I don't want to use this whole 14-ounce bottle. So I'm not going to use this whole 14-ounce bottle. I did purchase a little traveler size bottle. The problem with this is that I cannot get the little like stopper out. So we won't. On the big bottles of baby oil, these toppers just pop, boop, pop right out. Now I am using some condiment bottles from the Dollar Tree. They come in a 2-pack, and I'm just going to put about like half. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, that's more than enough. About halfway-ish. I have a plethora of highlighters to use. So I have this City Color highlight trio. I have a ColourPop one, some Wet n Wild ones. I also have some of these diamond, platinum, or gold Gossomers from Bare Minerals. They are unbelievably old, but they're like a loose highlight. So I think I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try some, this is from Bare Minerals. It is called Gold Gossamer, which is like a finishing powder. It's really, really shimmery. The Gold Gossamer has a little bit of like a gold tint to it. I think that would make a very nice glow oil. So that's what we're going to try and do. Maybe I should put this on a piece of paper first. Alright, so I have my Gold Gossamer highlight This is the baby oil. Ah. Alright. Close it up. Shake, 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 shake. Boom. Glow oil. Done. Let's test it out. Should I like expose my shoulder? Ooh, ooh, oh, oh, oh. Alright, alright. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, not that much. It has much more of a sheen to it, I would say. You know what this is on par with? This one. Because this doesn't have so much of like a color or anything. It just has like a little reflect in it. I could probably add more. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll add a little bit more. I need a towel. Container is empty. Adding more shimmer. I think that's what I kind of like about this option too, is that you can like add or not add as much shimmer as you want. You know? You feel me? Dressing myself. Oh yeah. That is a lot more. Yep. I'm feeling that. Alright. It has so much more shimmer to it now. I know you probably can't tell because it's such like a fine shimmer, but it has like this nice luminous glow now rather than like just oily looking. Yes, yes, I like that. All right, let us try another one. I'm gonna have so many glow oils for the summer and ain't nowhere to go. Okay. Another condiment bottle, because now we're going to try the coconut oil. Now, my friend Natalie, shout out to you. Hey Natalie, if you're watching. She said that coconut oil liquefies at 75 degrees. So, I microwaved it, but it will turn solid. So make sure you're using a microwave safe container if you want it liquid in the future. If not, you could mix your highlight into it. It'll solidify and then you can have like a bar or like lotion kind of coconut oil. However you choose to use your coconut oil, that's up to you. This is not good. So I've liquefied my coconut oil. Oh no. I just got that everywhere. Oh no. I need a funnel. How do you clean up coconut oil from carpet? Do you clean up coconut oil from carpet? I'll be right back. Okay. I got a funnel because I got coconut oil everywhere. Use funnel, use proper equipment. Got a funnel. There we go. I think we're going to crush up a highlighter. Why not? I do like this highlighter, but I don't use it as often as some of my other highlighters, and I think a pink glow could look nice throughout the year. So we're gonna crush it up. So I have a little quilling needle. Probably not the thing to crush it up with, but it's for arts and crafts, but that's okay. Crushed up some of it. I'm gonna put it in the, probably shouldn't have put it in the funnel. I'm not doing well, you guys. Alright, highlighter is in there. Warm coconut oil is in there as well. I don't think I crushed it up enough because there's a lot of particles in there. So here is said coconut oil and pink highlighter. Let's see how it works, or if it worked. A little bit. Again, I think it's hard to pick up on camera, and maybe like post-production it'll look a little bit better, but like in my screen I can't see it. However, in the mirror I am seeing like a little bit of like a pink shine, but nothing like crazy. So like if you don't want to glow that much, maybe this would be a good option for you. But if you're looking to like shimmer and glow and like, you know, go crazy. Oh no, don't go back there. Ah! This might not be the option for you. Not too bad. Maybe I used a little too much coconut oil, and maybe I should have chopped up the highlighter a little bit more fine, because you can see on the bottom here that I have like tons of chunks. Not disappointed with that one either. This DIY solution is spot on, guys. Just make sure you're using funnels if you're putting them into different containers. Yeah, I like that. All right. I think the best so far has been the baby oil and highlighter. I think it most closely resembles like store-bought glow oil. Does that make sense? You know what I'm saying. You know. Okay. So, now that I made a complete mess, we're going to finish off by trying a lotion situation. And I have poured my lotion, or squeezed my lotion, into a pill bottle that I have cleaned out and used for other things. I personally really like using medication bottles for hair ties, bobby pins, things like that. They, you know, close pretty securely. You just pull all of the names off and mark what it is. And what should we do for this one? Let's try a platinum gossamer. This is also a Bare Minerals finishing powder. This is the platinum gossamer. So we're just gonna bloop. Oh, that's a lot. You know I like things shiny. Alright, stirring that up. Ooh. This Suave lotion cost me 99 cents. You could probably use whatever lotion you have at home. You know. I don't think that's gonna be shimmery enough. I have to add more. I have to add more. Alright, we just used the whole container because why not? Ooh. I think this is gonna work out really well if you're more of a lotion person and not an oil person. So this is what my lotion looks afterwards. It looks a little gray because we use the platinum gossamer. Where should I put this? I'll put it on my décolleté, my chest. All right. So we'll just. Do you notice more of a shimmer? Am I shining yet? I don't know. I don't notice as much of a shimmer on this one. It offers a nice sheen. I do not notice as much of a shimmer as I do with the other glow oils that I have recently made. Like this rose one I notice a lot more, as well as this gold gossamer. I notice a lot more like shimmer and shine to it, but this lotion I'm not really noticing any shimmer. I'm just noticing like it reflects light really nicely. So I don't know. Overall, I think what performed the best was the baby oil and highlight. I used a loose highlighter. You can crumple up your own highlighter or bronzer, but I think that performed the best. That was this side. I think it soaked into the skin the best. The runner-up would be definitely the coconut oil. But that's like really heavy on my skin. So I honestly think that this ended up being a really great DIY solution. If you have a couple highlighters at home that you're looking to get rid of because you want something brand new, or you just don't wear them as often, mix it with a little bit of baby oil and make your own shimmering glow oil for the summer or like for a night out. I really like this DIY solution. If you're looking for like a high shine, like glittery value to your DIY glow oil, you're gonna have to crush up a few highlighters. It's gonna take you a couple different highlighters to put in here, because I put basically a whole jar of Diamond Gossamer, which is like shimmery to the max, in only half of a bottle, less than half of a bottle of baby oil, and I don't think that it was as shimmery as it could have been. So if you're looking for like high shine, like shimmer, you're gonna have to add a couple highlighters to it. That's a personal opinion. However, there are affordable options out there to buy it. Like I said, this ColourPop Soul Body one was like $15. They make a small one for $10. But this one's really glittery. I don't know. It's up to you. I will link the products that I used in the description box below, so if you are interested to try this DIY solution out on your own, you can check those products out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Do you like DIY at-home solutions? Do you not like them? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. Have you tried this DIY glow oil? Let me know. Let me know all that in the comment section below. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more reviews, tutorials, or at-home solutions. Thanks so much for watching, guys.